Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today we're taking the tour of 16 East Arch Street in Mill Hall, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor apartment with 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and some things that I think you're going to like. So sit back and relax. I'm going to take you through this entire place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's get started. So we're going to start the tour off down on the ground floor so you can take a look at the surrounding area. I'm going to show off the parking here. You can see it's a little congested right now, but there is several spots here for the residents of the building. And then just check out the front here. So to get to the apartment, we are going to come right back here. And you have a nice private exterior entrance. It's going to lead up to your little bitty porch up here. Come up to the top. And you see what I mean here about a bitty porch. Probably 1 chair if you'd like to sit out here, because it is beautiful out here. You can see the weather is fantastic, so it's really showing off how gorgeous this area is. Now we're going to go right inside into the eat-in kitchen. Got a nice little L-shaped bank of cabinets, countertops, full-size appliances, by the way, huge perk. And you get all the kitchen appliances. You have a nice little area here to be able to delegate for a kitchen table if you'd like to. And we're gonna go right into the first bedroom. This is a nice size bedroom. You can certainly do a king size bed. Also, both bedrooms are very comparable to each other. You have a nice wide closet here with a hang bar and a shelf. Love the double doors. It makes it really easy to root through your closet. Now across the way here, you have your bathroom. Full-size bathtub, y'all. Nice tall shower head, so people that are taller than 5 foot, unlike me, can really enjoy that shower experience. You have your lavatory facility, a nice big vanity, and look how big that mirror is. We're gonna come right around here. We've got a great storage closet here. This would be perfect for coats and boots to keep them tucked away. This is also your second exit, which will lead you right down to the very front of the building here. Keyless entry, which is fantastic. We're gonna come right into the living room. So you got a little bit of an L-shaped room, kind of like that bank of kitchen cabinets and counters, but plenty of space to set up a really nice area for yourself. Now this door cannot be used. It actually goes up to like crawl space area, so that won't be something that's usable to you. So you could potentially block that if you wanted to. Now it looks like you've got a great big closet here, but surprise, surprise, you've got a washer and dryer connection. You don't want to use a washer and dryer and you want to go to a laundromat, you can certainly use this for storage, but you've got everything you need to set up a really great laundry situation. And what I love the most is you can do this and you don't have to look at it. Now last but not least, we have the final bedroom. Again, king size bed all day long. And then you have your nice closet here. Now, comparability wise, this closet is the same size, but you don't have the double doors, but you certainly do have the floor space for a large bed. I mean, seriously, how cute and cozy is this place? I absolutely love it, and I know you do too. So what you need to do to make this the next place that you're calling home is check out our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You'll be able to see all the information about the property, you'll be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website, give us a call today, because we are anxious to help you make this your place.